Hello everyone, this is Ramana. You are watching me on TechMad YouTube channel. Here we have Triloki who got placed in Infosys. So before diving into the video, those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel now. You will get a lot of videos regarding placement resistance from our YouTube channel. Hi Triloki, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm doing good. And so can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes, you. Hello, sir. My name is Loki Kumar. I have just completed my diploma in computer science and engineering from Government Polytechnic Purnia, which is situated in Bihar. Sir, I am very curious to learn new things and about new technology and all the new curiosity of life. So it's very pleasure to give me opportunity to introduce myself on your channel. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Triloki. So can you please elaborate on how about your interview experience and how many rounds are there?
Yes, sir. There are mainly 3 rounds. The
Yeah.
first round is aptitude test, which is generally for all the companies interview, and the second one is PR round, and the last one is HR round. So
Okay.
we have to pass through all the 3 rounds.
Okay. So in interview round, so what about TR? What are the question that you got and how you answered them?
Okay, sir. The PR round mainly consists of all the basics of programming like C, C++, Java, and Python as well. And after that, they also ask me some questions of DBMS and some questions of networking as well. So I have answered all the questions because I have already learned in my diploma and from many YouTube channels as well. So I have answered all this and I got selected.
Hi all, before watching the rest of the video, I have to tell you something. Let me ask you a question. How many percent of the employees do you think are feeling there is a skill gap? Shall I tell you? 70% of the employees feels there is a skill gap. Yes. So to overcome this, you should be job ready. And for that, an academy has brought Bridge course. Wondering how you can become job ready? Let me tell you. With this bridge course, you can strengthen your core knowledge and you can master the specific tools and specialization. And also with the next gen electives, you can be ready for the interviews and you can get a job. So putting all these course goals together, an academy has made this course effectively, and as a part of that, an academy is having different workshops, and one of these workshops is Advanced Automotive Technology, which is happening on April 16th, 4 p.m. onwards, and this is for mechanical engineers. And also another workshop on IoT and drone technology for the electrical and electronic engineering students, having a tagline with Let's Learn IoT 360 Degrees and Introduction to Drone Technology, which is happening on 16th and 17th of April from 12 p.m. onwards. So what you are waiting for? Go as soon as possible, register for the workshops, learn the basics and get also free certifications. So enroll for this bridge course to master the technologies of your core and you can get a job without a skill gap.
Okay. So can you elaborate what are the questions that you got? Like if you remember some of the
Yes,
questions.
yes, sir. I have remembered some of the questions. First, they asked me about my background. Why have you chosen computer science in technical round? Then he asked me about OOPS concept. What do you mean by OOPS? And give the real example of OOPS concept. Means what are you just using with the help of OOPS? What are the real life examples of OOPS?
Okay.
Then they asked me some OSI models, and they asked me what is list, tuples, and how can we use in our real life? What is the difference between sets and tuples? And there are also questions from operating systems that what is time sharing operating systems and many more types of operating systems are there. They asked me the questions from this as well. And they also asked me what is DBMS
Okay.
and what is the full form of DBMS, along with how to write a query, how to add, insert, and update a query. They also asked me.
So did they ask you to write a coding question in did they ask you to share your screen and write a programming question that kind of? Is it
No,
happened?
no, no.
Okay.
They only ask questions, and after that, they take my feedback, and I also take their feedback. And they said that if you get selected because you have performed well, the HR manager has just said that okay, well done, Loki, you have performed well, and we are just announced that you can join our company and be a part of Infosys.
Okay. So is that clear and HR in different days? Is it in single days it happen?
And it was on different days.
Different days. Okay, then what about HR round? So what the question that you got?
HR round is very simple, as all we know that the HR question is mainly same.
Yeah.
where do you want to see in your life in the next 5 years? Why do you want to join Infosys?
Yeah.
Why only Infosys? Who is the CEO of Infosys?
Yeah.
Why do you want to work with us? And there are many more questions like this only.
Yeah, they are the
They
basic
are very
questions
simple
that
questions.
will repeat for every software company. Exactly. So
Yeah,
first
yeah,
we
yeah.
have to know about the company that we are going to attend.
Yeah. They
So
only want to know that they only want to know that how the receiver or how the person who is going to join the company know about the company and what is its future goal, and do he want to stay in the company for a long time or not, or for a short vision. They only want to check that.
yeah, Triloki, so did you got the clear questions from your resume only or like out of resume? Like what you mentioned the resume if you asked? And what about projects?
Uh,
Like
uh,
they asked any projects also?
yeah, yeah. I have also done 2 of the project, and they asked me about my project as well. Because I have done this project with the help of WordPress only, and I have also the basic knowledge of C, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many more technology as well. So they asked questions from my resume as well. Because whatever you have mentioned in your resume, it is very important to clear each and every topic about that. Otherwise, you will be failed in
Yes, yes.
interview.
Like we have to be genuine about our resume. So we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
mention what
You
we know.
cannot tell lie, because
Yes.
the HR is very clear, or the technical interviewer is very clear about that.
Okay,
They
okay.
cannot handle it.
Yeah. So yeah, what about written test? Like what is the pattern for the written test that you attended?
The written test mainly consists of 4 sections, which is general aptitude,
Okay.
and the second one is basic reasonings, and the third one is cognitive skills types, means pattern-wise questions, and one more type was also available. I
Okay.
don't remember that.
Okay. So
Means if you
Tilak, how you?
prepared for
Yeah, yeah.
if you
If
prepared for 1 month at 1 hour daily, then you are just able to crack the aptitude test, because it is basic.
Yeah. So Triloki, like how you got opportunity? So is it like on campus or like how it happened?
It was off campus, and as when I was in the 6th sem of diploma, I got the link in my college WhatsApp group.
Okay.
I have applied on that, and my resume got shortlisted for the aptitude test or for the written assessment, and it was the last day of my college.
Mhm.
Then I attended the online test, and the last exam was also on that day. And after attending the college exam, I attended the Infosys exam, and I for 140 means 1 hour 40 minutes. It was for 100 minutes, and it was not very tough, but moderate level as well, because I have already placed for TCS, and I have already cleared the TCS exams. So it was very easy for me, because the TCS level of aptitude is mainly high, and because I have just cleared the TCS NK2, so it was very easy for me to clear the Infosys exam. So I have just cleared it.
Yeah. Okay. So Triloki, like how you prepared? Like from where you learn? Is your during college also they will give some training, right? Placement training, everything. So what are the resources
Yeah.
you found to prepare for this kind of jobs?
I have prepared all the from the free resources. There are a YouTube channel whose name is Online Study for You,
Mhm.
and also a talentbattle.in and Prep Insta. I have followed these 3 channels for the free resources.
Yeah. Okay.
These
Triloki,
channels
like
help me a lot.
yes. Okay. So what do you want to suggest for the upcoming juniors, like who want to attend the software jobs?
Okay, I am just suggesting that if you are a diploma student or a BCA graduate or a BSc graduate or whatever the graduation you have, you just have to apply for this post, because this post is really incredible. Means it's a great opportunity for everyone, and especially for diploma students, because many of the students thought that after completing my diploma, we are not going to get any job, we are not going to get opportunity. So whatever the branch you have or whatever the college you have, if you are curious about to learn new things or to get into it, you are just going to get it. Because if you have a passion, then you can do it very
Yeah.
well. So I am just suggesting that every diploma student should apply it and be a part of Infosys, because it is a multinational company.
Thanks, Triloki. Like you shared a lot of things, and so I hope like mostly the diploma students can get inspired from you to apply for this job, because they most think like they may not get jobs after they're done with the diploma. They have to do BTech or
Yeah,
so
yeah,
they have to study more.
yeah, yeah. And this is the reason I am very curious to share my interview experience so that the diploma student will inspired from me.
Yes, yes,
And this is the
exactly.
reason I have just learned to share because I have watched your video on YouTube, and I am very excited that I can share my interview experience so that diploma student can get
Exactly, like
some inspiration
so
from
many
me.
so many students will like they need some kind of experience, like they will get inspired. So this kind of videos will be helpful for them. They
Yeah,
need
yeah.
to know what will happen when a diploma student attend to this kind of interview. Like, so how can they attend? How can they face? So they will get a clear picture before attending this type of jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.